How to remove toxins from kidney, liver, and bladder. Just like your fridge, your stomach needs a cleaning after some time, and the same should go for the liver and bladder. But do you know how to remove toxins from your kidney, liver, and bladder naturally and gently, yet effectively? Let's explore. Welcome back, guys. Today, I will walk you through a natural, gentle, yet highly effective method to remove toxins from your body. Your body is like a machine. It continues working fine, but needs proper maintenance. You might want to clean it every few weeks to make sure it remains hygienic. Just imagine the remainder of curd, juices, different vegetables, fruits, and other stuff that can really turn your fridge into a rubbish heap. And the same rule should go for your kidney, liver, and bladder. If you don't cleanse these all-important organs, your body will not be able to do things effectively. Now, if I ask, how many of you properly and regularly cleanse your kidneys, liver, and bladder? Did you ever remove toxins from your body just like a fridge? So, it is time for you to learn to flush these organs and live a longer and healthier life. Make sure to watch today's video till the end, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for almost daily amazing and beneficial videos. Let's begin. Number 1, drink water to keep body hydrated. The single most important thing is to keep the body hydrated. Our body is composed of over 60% water. All parts of the body, from brain to liver, heart to kidney, require water for proper functioning. You might remember your biology book from school days. The functions of the kidneys in particular. To secrete urine, the kidneys require an optimum level of water. Urine is the primary means of getting rid of toxins and other unnecessary substances from the body. If you don't drink enough water, the urine volume remains low. Your kidney cannot remove all toxins and unnecessary substances. If your water intake remains low, your kidney fails to get rid of crystal-forming substances such as oxalate, cysteine, struvite, calcium, uric acid, and others. These substances start making crystals and soon form kidney stones. As you might imagine, kidney stones are no joke. Various studies compare the pain caused by kidney stones with labor pains. The American Urological Association cites that 12% of Americans develop kidney stones. They spend billions of dollars on its treatment, and the whole process is tiring and painstaking. So what you need to do is to keep your body hydrated. Drink enough water. There are days I hardly drink 1 glass of water, which is disgusting. We are big machines, and we need to have enough water to run well. The Institute of Medicine recommends a 3.7 liter intake of water for men and a 2.7 liter for women. If you drink the optimum amount of water, your body will naturally flush out these toxins, and you will be able to avoid numerous health complications such as kidney stones. Number 2, taking tea regularly. Another drink that can be equally effective in removing toxins is tea. Yes, simple tea. In ancient times, tea was a medicinal plant and was regarded as an effective tool to cleanse the kidneys and bladder. Not only does tea keep the body hydrated, but the presence of antioxidants in tea leaves removes unnecessary substances and toxins. The presence of polyphenols in tea plants also have health-promoting properties. Green tea is especially recommended as an agent to detoxify your body. The good thing is that the US Food and Drug Administration also approves of the detox tea. Although there are some detox teas that contain allergy-triggering substances, overall, it is a safe drink that cleanses your body gently yet effectively. There are some recommended kidney cleansing teas, such as hydrangea and sambong. Hydrangea is a flowering shrub and is known for its antioxidant capabilities. It is also beneficial for kidney damage. Sambong is another highly suggested tea for naturally flushing out the kidneys. Although sambong is mostly found in India and the Philippines, it is available all over the world due to its health benefits. This shrub contains a high level of antioxidants that destroy calcium crystals that lead to kidney stones. Number 3, say goodbye to junk foods. Hey foodies, it's your time. If you want to live a healthier life, don't eat junk foods. They hardly contain any nutrition and come at the cost of your health. If you eat potato chips, processed meat, burgers, noodles, crackers, pizza, or take sugary drinks like sodas or energy drinks, your body shouldn't be happy with it. If you're fat, you might already have issues with your kidney and liver because your body doesn't like this junky stuff. These are prepared in an unhygienic environment and contain an incredibly high level of salt and sugar, which are extremely harmful to your kidney, bladder, and liver. Noodles contain a high amount of sodium, Na+, which can be harmful over time. The recent study of the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai shows that consuming junk foods regularly will lead to an increased amount of toxins in your body. Not only heart diseases, but you can also face other diseases like type 2 diabetes. Your kidneys start to weaken and your digestive system starts malfunctioning. These foods give no nutritional value and have a high content of unnecessary substances and toxins. So next time you sit down to watch a movie on Netflix or Amazon Prime, there should be no Big Macs, Coca-Cola, Twinkies, Oreos, burgers, noodles, snacks, Pop-Tarts, and any such food. Instead, you can eat fruits and drink different juices, shakes, and smoothies. Number 4, eat healthy foods. The second important point is to eat healthy foods. Healthy foods are those foods that will help you cleanse your kidney, liver, and bladder. It includes grapes, cranberries, dates, basil, pomegranates, watermelon, beans, and others. These fruits are proven to remove toxins and provide much-needed nutrients to the body. A study of nephrology dialysis transplantation shows that grapes and peanuts contain antioxidants that remove toxins from the kidney and bladder. In an experiment on a rat with kidney disease, the scientists found that grapes were effective in lowering kidney inflammation. It means you can enjoy grapes instead of snacks. Make your food your medicine. Cranberries are highly beneficial for the health of the bladder. A study in Nutrition Journal shows that regular intake of cranberries leads to reduced urinary tract infections, which is incredible. In an experiment on a woman who was facing issues with her bladder and had a urinary tract infection, she recovered within 2 weeks after consuming cranberries on a daily basis. There are 2 ways to consume cranberries. Either make cranberry juice or use sweetened dried cranberries in the morning and in the evening. Similarly, brown seaweed has beneficial effects on the pancreas, liver, bladder, and kidney. A 2014 study by the National Institute of Health UK on rats showed that regular consumption of seaweed for 22 days reduced damage to the liver and kidneys of rats caused by diabetes. Then the experiment was tested on humans, and seaweed had the same benefits on the liver, bladder, and kidneys of humans as well. Number 5, fruit juices of lemon, orange, and dates. According to the Advanced Urology Institute, the juices of fruits that contain a high amount of citric acid are highly effective in cleansing the kidneys, bladder, and liver. Citrate has proven health benefits, such as preventing kidney stones, reducing inflammation, and breaking down toxins. The regular use of orange and lemon juice increases the citrate concentration in urine. As a result, the breakdown of toxins becomes a lot easier. A study by the Advanced Urology Institute also shows lemon juice helps filter blood. If there are any toxins in the blood, lemon juice works as a cleanser. Not only does lemon juice reduce the chances of forming kidney stones, but it also allows an easy passage of stones, which makes lemon an effective remedy. Dates are also used to detoxify your body. The recommended method to drink date juice is to soak 5 to 7 dates in water or milk for 24 hours. Then remove the seeds and grind the dates in the same milk or water and drink it on an empty stomach. Dates have a high amount of fiber, which is effective against kidney stones. Dates are also rich in magnesium, which is mighty effective in cleansing the kidneys. Number 6, Kegel exercise. Yes, there are exercises that can help you remove toxins from your body without spending a penny. The good thing is, you don't need to go to the gym, so if you're lazy like me, you can do these exercises with little effort. One such activity is Kegel exercise, which helps muscles such as the liver and bladder grow stronger. Dr. Arnold Kegel devised these exercises in the 1940s. Initially, these exercises were meant to help women facing urinary tract infections, liver inflammation, and other issues in the postpartum period. Later, these exercises were found effective for both men and women alike. Yes, as we grow old and put on weight, our muscles under the uterus, bladder, and liver remain under stress. By doing Kegel exercises, we can relieve bladder and liver pain and strengthen pelvic floor muscles. Here's how to do it. While standing up, contract your pelvic floor muscles for 10 seconds and then release. Do no fewer than 30 contractions each day. 10 while standing, 10 while sitting, and 10 while lying down. This exercise not only strengthens your bladder muscles, but also helps remove toxins from your bladder and kidney. For the liver, you can opt for liver massage, a simple but highly effective technique to strengthen the liver and remove toxins. All you need to do is to gently press your liver 100 times a day. You can locate the liver beneath the diaphragm in the upper right corner of the abdominal cavity. You can press the muscle right above the stomach because that's where the liver is located. That's all for now. Keep watching and sharing my content, and let your loved ones know about these health tips.